Hi everyone, I want to introduce Sky. Sky is a new family member. We got him for Mother's Day. He's a lovebird and he's only 5 months old. He is right now light blue with yellow and dark blue in the back. He's getting used to us and his new home. We bought him a few toys there. So he's getting settled in and getting used to his new routine. He comes from a pet shop here locally owned in Salinas. He loves to sing. There's his little food and his water. We're trying to get him used to our voice and our faces since he's used to seeing, a lot of different people in the store where he came from. I read that this lovebird comes from the parrot family, so if you train him to speak, it's possible for them to actually say some words, especially since he's so young. He's hand tamed, but since he's getting used to us, he's still, getting accustomed to new faces, so we're giving him a lot of space lately. Hi Sky, how's your day going, buddy? Just want to show you off because you're so beautiful. Yeah. How are you doing today? Don't get scared. That was just a little container. Don't get scared, Sky. Do you want to sing for us? No? Not right now? He's adorable. We're going to be taking him actually to the vet to know the sex of the bird. Right now we have named it Sky, but we don't know if it's a female or a male, so it will be interesting to find out what the gender is very soon. He does have his wings clipped in the area where it can't fly, and that's just to help us tame him and train him. So there you go. It's the new addition to our little home for Mother's Day. Alexander and I picked it yesterday and we're so happy. You want to say bye, Sky? You want to sing for us? No? Not right now? Alrighty, buddy.